mula sa corporate world, sumubok siya na magpatakbo ng sarili niyang negosyo at tuluyan na rin pumasok sa business world. Para sa buong story ng kanyang business story, alamin natin yan dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Good morning!
Good morning to you, Diane.
Alright, so to start off, we were talking off-cam that you just started recently with your new business.
Ang main business ko talaga is Presso Fitness. So, since I love dancing and I found my business partner na talaga namang merong enthusiasm to help the community about their health. Before ako mag-join kasi for the Noble Queen, so meron ako isang friend na nag-sponsor sa akin for syempre, my looks before the competition. So, kasama ko si Miss Patricia Javier for this Noble Queen. And then in 2024, I won the Noble Queen Earth 2024. So, nung time na yun, parang sabi ko, ang sarap pala na merong aesthetic clinic.
How was your transition? Because off-cam, you told me that you also work in a corporate world.
Mahirap din yan. Kasi imagine mo, as a corporate, you've been working for more than 8 hours a day. And syempre, yung time mo, that is the most, ito yung nagsasuffer eh. But yung advocacy mo to help the community na hindi lang ikaw, kumbaga ang advocacy kasi Diane is magpaganda sa murang halaga. Kahit nagwo-work ako 8 hours a day, pupunta ako sa trabaho ko. After ng work ko, 7 o'clock in the evening, magda-dance fitness ako kasi katabi lang na yung studio namin. Then, katabi lang yan is our clinic. So, I make it sure that the location of my clinic is just only beside our dance studio. So, more easier to monitor.
But now that you run your own business, were you able to manage your time properly?
Yes, that's very important.
Oras mo eh.
Ngayon, since I stopped na rin mag-work last June, mas manage ko na, mas marami akong time to think on how I can improve more my business. I can also have more time to look after dun sa mga dapat nating i-focus, and I'm also have more time to look for another opportunities that will grow the business as well.
Para sa mga kanegosyo natin dyan who would also want to put up their own business, may advice ka ba sa kanila basing it on your own experience?
Pag nagtayo tayo ng negosyo, hindi lang ito may alam tayo sa negosyo, kundi dapat talaga may puso ka. Marami tayong mga business owner dito na talagang nagtayo lang sila ng negosyo kasi gusto lang nilang yumaman. Pero maganda rin po na pag magtatayo ng negosyo, may purpose tayo sa community natin. Wag po natin kakalimutan na bawat isa po sa atin, kung meron po tayong puso sa gagawin natin, mas magiging maganda po ang magiging resulta ng gagawin natin. Huwag po kayong matakot kahit po kayo ay walang experience kasi God is always be there. He will find a way, magtuturo siya sa'yo. Sino-sino yung mga tao na magbibigay po talaga sa'yo para makatulong po sa iyong negosyo.
Sa isang negosyo, hindi lang produkto ang ibinibenta mo, tiwala at serbisyo din. Panibagong business story at business tips na naman ang ibabahagi namin sa inyo sa susunod nating pagkikita, mga kanegosyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!